guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we're going to see another exciting recipe, the tomato soup, which is originated from Spain. Today, let's see how to make it without cream. First, in a cooker, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When the butter is melted, I'm going to put 1 bay leaf. When you get the crackling sound, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After they have become golden, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion. And now let's saute them well until they have become transparent. Then I'm going to add a thick slice of beetroot. If you want an extra reddish color, you can add more beetroot. Then I'm going to add 1/4 of grated carrot, since grating it will help us with the grinding later on. Take 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I've cut them into cubes. Let's saute them for a couple of minutes. Then add salt according to your taste. Salt will help with the better boiling of the tomatoes. Close the lid and put the weight. After 2 whistles, our mixture is ready. After it has cooled completely, I'm going to transfer it to a mixer and grind it smoothly into a puree. Add water during grinding. Look at our puree, how smooth it is grinded. Now let's filter it. Some of you think that filtering is a big burden, but you can use a big filter or receive. Filtering is compulsory. After we have filtered, you can get rid of the tomato seeds and some unground particles. Let the soup boil. You can add water according to your consistency. If you want it thicker, you can skip this part. Now let's see how to make the croutons. Now I'm taking 6 slices of milk bread and cutting off the edges. Now I'm going to cut the bread vertically. They might fall apart, so be careful. Now you can see that they came to the size of these amazing cubes. Now in a pan, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of butter and add in the square bread. Keep the stove in sim and continuously keep mixing them so they don't get brown. Our cubes won't be even sized, but they will be tasty. Our crispy croutons are ready. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 6 tablespoons of normal water. You cannot add corn flour directly or else there will be lumps in your soup. Once our soup is boiling, add in our corn flour mixture. This will be a substitute for the cream. Add salt according to your taste. Remember, add only if necessary because we had already added while making the puree. After our soup has boiled nicely and have got its consistency, you can go ahead and add pepper. Add pepper according to your spice level. Once the pepper is dissolved, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have used brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. After the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to switch off the stove and add coriander leaves for garnishing. That's it. Our tasty creamy soup is ready. This recipe serves 4 people, and don't forget to add in our crispy croutons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye bye.